guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video this is part 4 of making a mouse pointer boss fight in Scratch. So let's get started. So files, save as a copy, and in the other tutorial I didn't do that, sorry guys. Well, so now guys, uh, finally part 4. Now it's loading the project, I don't know why. Episode. Okay, so episode 4. Okay, now what we're going to do is going to make a new sprite called Health, and now it's time to customize it. So set the project, and now time to customize the Health sprite. So let's get started. So let's click on the square here in the custom editor. And the first custom, let's put it like health 0, like that. Okay, so we're going to make a gray rectangle, but with a outline. Okay, and okay, let's do this. Let's going to make it a bit smaller. Okay, like that. And now let's snap it to the center. Okay, and now let's duplicate, so half 1. And now I'm going to make um, a light blue or rectangle. Okay, maybe like that. There is good. And now duplicate. Now let's make it a bit larger. Duplicate again. A bit more larger. Look at again. Okay. So more larger. Duplicate again. More larger. I'm going to put it like complete. Sorry guys. Oh wait. I can guys. And now let's put like complete. And this I'm going to put it more larger. Well, no, a bit less. Here a bit more. Now here more like a bit less. Yeah, like that. So health 0, health 1, health 2, health 3, health 4, and here health 5. And now let's make a new custom. I'm going to duplicate this, but I'm going to delete it. Maybe. So now it's going to make a big square. It doesn't matter if it is with outline or if not. So like that. and let's snap it to the center. So say the project, and now let's code. When I receive, and I have this message. Let's see. Yes, we have it. Player hit. Let's put an if, a greater than. If invincible is greater than zero, I stop this script. Okay, change HP by now to 1. Okay, set invincible to 30. But remember to put these two blocks separated from the F, and if let's put lesser than. If HP is lesser than 1, okay, so let's broadcast a new message. Well, I don't know we have it. No, we have it, so you are that, like that. Okay, so set a project. When if I clicked, show when I receive, when I receive you are dead. Okay, set a project, hide. When I receive a new message, I think, yes, tick last. Okay, switch costume to costume. Okay, let's put this one that I didn't put name, so the last one, that's the big square. Go to player hitbox. Change Y by 22. Switch costume to, let's put a join. Okay, so well, maybe we can here put our health, so H, so it's better. So wait, I think it's better like that. Okay, let's keep deleting, and the final one. Okay, so there's good. So we can put less levers. So what's more left? It's less. So H. And let's join it with an HP variable. Okay. And the last costume, let's put it like a big square to identify it. Okay. So set costume to big square, set costume to join H and HP. So set color effect to color variable that it's here. And let's put an if, put a greater than. If invincible it's greater than 0, change invincible by now to 1. OK. And set color effect to, let's put a divide, 1 divided by 0. OK. When left clicked forever, put an equals, OK, put an equal. So if mode is equal to 1, show, and in the if, put, okay, so if, look at this, if that is equal to 1, hide, and in the else, hide. Okay, like that. So now let's make a new block called shake dir from duration. Input D, label intensity, and input I. And don't click around without screen refresh. So let's put it back here. And now, so put a repeat. And repeat D, that's the input. So repeat D times. Set shake X. And set shake Y. OK. To pick random both. So in the pick random 1, put a times in both, and in the pick random 2, let's put the I. So I times, oh wait, sorry. Okay. So I times -1. Okay. Look at this, and this times to the better. So set it to that, save the project, and now duplicate this. Well, now that repeat D, this delete it, but delete all, this pick random. So set shake X and shake Y to 0. OK. So guys, we finished. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So bye bye.